Seniors lose $3 billion a year to online scams. Most of it is completely preventable with a few simple steps. Grandparent scam. I'm in trouble, send money now. IRS/Social Security phone scams. Tech support pop-ups claiming your computer is infected. Hang up and call the real number directly. Never click a link in an email, go directly to the website. No legitimate organization demands immediate payment. Use 3 random words plus a number: coffee, river, map 42. 1 password per account. Write them in a secure password logbook, not a sticky note. Only shop on sites with https:// in the address. Use a credit card, not debit. Fraud protection is better. Check your statements weekly for charges you don't recognize. Most seniors targeted are between 60 to 80. Scammers are professionals. This isn't about being smart. A password logbook makes this manageable and safe. Get our printable password logbook designed to be simple and secure. Link in description. New safety tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.